think. And the guy pulled me aside and he says, you know, one thing you're going to have to stay away from if you want to really do this thing is you got to moderate everything. You got to take it easy on the booze. You got to take it easy on the drugs. And he said you got to take it easy on the girls because they're going to be everywhere. And I've seen, you know, multiple people, you know, go down the wrong path in so many ways. I've seen people leave their music careers for a significant other and then it not work out, and then they were lost. People that lost their careers in music and then became janitors or whatever they did and lost all focus on life and went down the wrong roads after that. I had in the studio here just probably they're the last recording session possibly of one of the members of Slum Village is the name of the group. One of the members of Slum Village, Batin, one of the last probably times he ever recorded was in the studio, and then he unfortunately overdosed not too long after that. So everybody's fighting their demons. I've seen a lot of turmoil between drugs and alcohol and also bad business deals. Record contracts are usually a beautiful thing for about 15 minutes. And then after that you start reading the fine print and you realize you're never getting paid or you're never getting released, and it sucks. You know, kind of the way it is.